Anthropic Academy is a completely free AI learning course provided by Anthropic, the company that created Claude. There's just one problem. All the content is in English. Today, I'll show you how to completely break down that English language barrier. Let's start with the simplest method. This one is exclusively for those using Google Chrome. Once you open the course page, just right-click and select Translate to Japanese. That's all it takes. The page switches to Japanese instantly. If you're not using Chrome, please try the PDF-based method I'll introduce later. The learning objectives and roadmap will all be displayed in Japanese. You can continue reading the translated page as is, so even those who struggle with English can smoothly grasp the content. But translation and subtitles alone have their limits. Nuances don't always come through accurately, and subtitles can be hard to keep up with. Don't you want a deeper understanding? That's where NotebookLM comes in. By loading the English course as source material, you can completely reconstruct both video and text content as Japanese. Here's one important caveat. If you try to enter the course URL directly into NotebookLM, the connection will be refused, a CloudFront 403 error. So instead of entering the URL directly, you need to prepare your source via PDF. Here's what the actual error screen looks like. When NotebookLM tries to load the course URL, you get the error, "The request could not be satisfied." To get around this, we move on to the next step. The solution is simple. Just send a screenshot of the course page to Claude and ask, "Please convert this screenshot into a PDF." That's it. The PDF is ready. Here's what the actual operation looks like. Attach the screenshot to Claude and type, "Please convert this screenshot into a PDF." Claude will automatically convert it for you. And there we have it. A Japanese PDF is complete. By uploading this PDF to NotebookLM, you can use the course content as a Japanese language source. Let's take a look at the PDF Claude created. Learning objectives like what is Claude and the full course roadmap are all neatly organized in Japanese. A PDF of this quality is completed just by sending a screenshot. Next, open NotebookLM. Click plus New Notebook on the top page. Here's the actual screen. Click the New Notebook button in the upper left. Once your notebook is open, click Add Source and upload the Japanese PDF you just created. The Add Source screen will open. Click the Upload File button and select your Japanese PDF. Once the PDF upload is complete, the source will appear like this. NotebookLM reads the PDF content and automatically generates a Japanese summary. The moment the upload completes, a Japanese summary is automatically generated. You can see the English course content neatly summarized in Japanese. Next, we'll also add the YouTube video URLs embedded in the course as sources. Click the video's Share button and copy the URL. The Anthropic Academy course page has YouTube videos embedded, like this. Click the Share button below the video. When the Share menu opens, click the URL to copy it. Now you have the YouTube video URL. Once it's copied to your clipboard, you'll see a Copied to Clipboard message. That means it worked.
Go back to the NotebookLM Add Source screen and click the Website button.
A URL input field for websites and YouTube will open. Paste the YouTube URL you just copied and click Insert. Now you have two sources ready, the PDF and the YouTube video. Everything is set to generate Japanese content. Now it's time for step 3. Using NotebookLM's Studio feature, we'll generate Japanese content. You can create a whopping 9 types of content: audio overviews, video overviews, slides, quizzes, and more. Here's the Studio screen. A rich lineup of content formats is available: audio overview, slides, video overview, mind map, report, flashcards, quiz, infographic, and data table. Let's start by creating a video overview. Click Video Overview, and the language settings will appear. Simply set the language to Japanese and hit Generate. Now, let's watch the Japanese video that NotebookLM actually generated. Due to copyright protection, only a portion will be shown, but you can see what kind of quality is achievable. Click the Video Overview button from the Studio screen. This is the Video Overview customization screen. Select Explainer as the format, set the language to Japanese, and choose your visual style. Once you're done with the settings, click Generate. The video has been generated. It's been created with the title Getting Started with Claude. Let's click Play.
今回の解説へようこそ。さて皆さん、クロードって単なるちょっと気の利くチャットボットだと思っていませんか？もし
It's not just video overviews. Audio overviews, essentially podcast-style content, can also be generated in Japanese. Click Audio Overview, set the format to Detailed, set the language to Japanese, and hit Generate. This is the Audio Overview customization screen. Selecting the Detailed format gives you 2 hosts discussing the course content in a conversational style. Set the language to Japanese and generate. Slides and infographics can also be automatically generated entirely in Japanese. Great for study summaries. Here's the slide settings screen. You can choose between detailed slides or presenter slides as the format. Set the language to Japanese, hit Generate, and you're done.
Here's the Infographics settings screen. You can choose your visual style: sketch, cute, professional, and more. Set the language to Japanese here as well. Then generate.
There's also a very handy feature. If there's anything in the course you don't understand, just type your question in Japanese in the chat box, and you'll get answers grounded in your sources. It's like having a Japanese-speaking tutor right there with you. Here's the actual chat screen. Just by loading the PDF as a source, a Japanese summary is automatically generated under the title Claude Usage Guide: How to Start Intelligent Collaboration. Type your question in Japanese in the input field at the bottom, and you'll get source-based answers. Let's wrap up with a comparison. With translation and subtitles alone, nuances are hard to convey, and keeping up with subtitles can be a struggle. With NotebookLM, on the other hand, you can deeply understand the course content in Japanese. I encourage you to take Anthropic Academy's Claude 101 course in Japanese using NotebookLM. You'll be able to properly learn how to use Claude without worrying about the language barrier. If you found this video helpful, please subscribe to the channel. At Chiang Mai Longstay, we share AI tools and lifestyle information useful for Japanese people living in Thailand. See you in the next video.